starts in about 15 minutes, but we did as well get there. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out for people. 18. Your side.
Oh, I think it's straight ahead.
Oh, yep. I see it too. $0.25 a comic.
Now they've been for a couple kid hands. You might have
Yeah.
to click through to make sure that
No artwork in there?
No jam.
some pages
Yeah.
might be a little, like I'm not guaranteeing.
I don't know. Is that even old enough?
Oh, I have no. I don't. Comics are not my thing.
That's
I know.
I do not know
That's
about
not-
comics.
But those aren't those. I got approval to sell those. I have everything marked right now, but if you have questions, just let us know and we'll figure out pricing and stuff.
Okay.
Nothing really in the garage. Just out here.
There it is.
Oh.
Yeah. There's this, there's a crib. There's some
There's
pictures
some-
frames.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's this.
Oh, look at these.
Oh, those
Oh yes,
are...
we'll take both of those.
All right.
Absolutely. Those are... Do you know who they are?
No.
Oh, okay. That's okay. I just thought...
We live in an old house and we buy we hang them on our wall just as is.
just as
yeah,
is.
Yeah, with the people with
I like to just... Because sometimes people do know who they are.
I know. And then you see on Facebook too where people go, oh, we found this, and like years later, but no idea. And it
Yeah.
was my father-in-law. He's kind of like Sanford and Son. I don't know if you're familiar with that show. Buy lots of stuff and find some value in it. And
Yeah.
then he would sell it. And,
Yeah.
So.
Cool. No, we'll take
Yeah.
those for
Yeah,
sure.
those.
Those are
Okay,
great.
all right. Well, you let me
Well,
know
this
when
is
you're
only
ready.
$1.
So these are lots of pictures here.
No, it's
It's
foam.
not old, yeah.
No.
They're not old. No.
Draw yourself in there,
Yeah.
like sitting on the beach.
These are from an artist in Nova Scotia. When we were there. So it's kind of hard to part with that, but I'm out of all the green stuff.
Well, yeah, I guess you could.
I have a little green, but not the floral and the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it doesn't go anymore, I know.
No.
Sometimes though, you're like, So
know
I
my
hope somebody
husband
comes
goes,
along
"Oh
that
my gosh."
just loves it, and then it's
Takes the
easy.
whole set
You know, it's
and go
easier to
for it.
let go too
Yeah.
when you
Oh,
know
exactly.
they really
Yeah.
like it. Yeah.
Exactly.
Or for me, it is anyway.
Yeah,
like,
no, I know.
okay, that's good
Well, it's
then.
been
Yeah.
sitting in the basement for 3 years, so that tells you.
Yes, exactly.
And this is an old frame too, but I think it's a plastic.
Yeah, or foam
Yeah,
or something.
I think it's vintage. Yeah, more
Yeah.
than old. Yeah.
Picture in
Yeah.
it.
Did
It had a
it?
wedding picture.
Oh.
We've never hung it. So, well,
Oh.
maybe for a year after we're married. 40 years.
That was
we've
the
been
thing, though, to
married.
have like a
I
gigantic
know,
picture of
I know.
yourself.
Like, why do people do that?
Thank you very much. Oh, these are great. This will probably be the best thing we find today.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
I
Your
love
house
them.
must be neat. Like it's beautiful on the outside.
There's
We have we're on YouTube and we have a house tour, full top to bottom of the entire house.
yeah. I mean, it's changed. It's a year or two old now, but it's
Okay, tell me.
he's gonna give you a card here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Already.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You have a good day too.
What a find.
Yeah, that's right on.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yes.
Oh, the dog is excited. Dog wants to come out and play.
Yes. Stock ticker. That looks old.
It does, yeah. That's I do remember that game.
Do you?
I never played it.
I don't think I ever
just
played
remember
it.
from seeing it at other garage sales.
Oh. Must not be very fun if everybody's selling it. Well, who knew? Good thing you asked if there was stuff in the garage, hey?
Yeah. Well, I saw some stuff sort of back there, but I wasn't
Yeah.
sure if they were bringing it out to the driveway or but I didn't see those because they were tucked behind.
Yes.
So yeah, no, that's
These
awesome.
Look at the glasses on her.
Yes. Yeah.
That's great. Oh, wow. I'm so excited. We don't find these for $10 very often.
No, not very often.
This
at
one's
all.
been painted, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's all right. It's the
Okay.
glass and the photo that's the most valuable.
I have a few.
We do find the frames sometimes with nothing in them. No
I
glass,
know.
no
And I
photos,
still
so-
have them. They're in the basement.
It's
but
not even a photo, really. I don't know. Are they drawings? Are they photos? Are they photos that have been drawn on top of?
colorized
Yeah,
photos.
right.
Yes. So because they didn't. Well, that one isn't. That one's a sepia tone.
Yeah, that's just a photo.
Yeah.
But this one.
Yeah.
So is that an artwork or?
I think it's a photo, and then they sometimes
go in
put the
and-
rosy cheeks and
Yeah.
and detail. Sometimes the clothing is done, and this one looks like it may have had color, but maybe it's been in a sunny spot.
Yeah, it's kind of.
But-
Yeah, it's hard to say. isn't
Yeah, it is.
it? Okay.
Okay.
On to the next.
Yes.
Yeah, as soon as I saw them, I was like, "We'll take those." 'Cause I
Yes.
saw the price tag on them too.
Well,
So
at first
there wasn't even a question.
No.
Like,
At first I thought it was 100, and I was like, "Oh, what are you doing?" Then I was like, "Oh no."
No, I saw the price tags.
Nice.
And I just jumped on it. I was
Great.
like, "Yep,
Yeah.
well, sold."
Yeah, we'll take those.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
See, that's why people shouldn't drive by. Do drive-by shopping.
Yeah, the drive-by shopping. That's right. Because there was nothing else that interested us.
Mostly kid stuff.
Yeah. And consumer goods, like, you can go
newish.
buy it at Walmart today if
Yeah.
you wanted.
But then boom.
Yeah. Blammo.
Blam.
Blam.
Da, 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 da.
I'm going to have to add that into the...
I must warn you, she's a little unorthodox.
Bitch pudding.
Shut the Dun, 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 dun. Bitch pudding! Blam! I should really move.
That is so funny. She's my fave.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's the best.
She is the best. Okay. Let's see. Where are we? This one started yesterday, and it just started today, and it's also on tomorrow.
Okay.
Is that 11th? No, that's
We're on
ours.
11th.
Oh. Is this house face?
This is 11th, but I think this house faces Arthur.
Does it say we're here on the thing?
Pretty much, yeah. It says corner of 11th and Arthur.
Oh, okay.
So this could be
Yeah,
it.
I'm thinking this must be it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Hi. Good, how are you?
hey, how's it going? Good. Yeah. It's not supposed to really warm up or have the sun come out till 3 according to my weather
Yeah,
app.
but the
But
high isn't much there. I think I see 23 or 4.
yeah, that's it. Yeah. And if it's going to be windy, if it's going to stay windy like this, then it won't feel like that. So.
Yeah, that looks cool.
Got some nice tattoos. They must
Thank
have cost
you.
a fortune, eh?
They
Yeah, over the course
did.
of the time, yeah.
yeah. It was a friend, so it was a little bit better,
God, eh?
but man, yeah, they don't do it for free, that's for sure.
No. Compared to my little one.
Well, you gotta start somewhere.
You never wanted another one?
No. And I actually...
They must not have used the addictive ink like they did on
most
us.
of this by myself.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Wow.
You just get the ink and you take a pen and you take 2 fine little needles, like not big ones, and you have one a little bit longer than the other, and you dip it in the ink and you just go boom, boom, boom.
Wow.
And
I don't know if I could do that.
I'd probably pass on that.
It was painful.
I bet. Orange ginger. It probably smells good. Oh yeah, that smells good.
Oh yeah, it does.
Smell of that?
Yeah, that's nice. I like that one. What's
And this is lavender.
orange ginger?
This is lavender vanilla.
It'll probably be good too.
That'll be good too. That'll be good.
So they say.
Put it on at night when you're ready to go to sleep.
Oh, that's
Body-
okay.
Body wash.
I like the smell of that better.
Yeah, me too. I think we'll get those, hey?
Sure.
Thank you.
How much was it?
5.
Okay.
Yeah. Some nice beads in there.
I guess that's a bead. I thought it was a dye.
No, it's a bead. It's a candy.
Yeah.
Eat it. There's some candies right there.
Glass candy.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Have a good day. Thank you. You too. Morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, good. It's nice to see you. Anything you purchase in here,
Yeah.
you pay the girl here.
Okay. Got it. Oh, look at that, hey?
Now that's a pretty mink coat.
Isn't it?
Looks about your size.
Look at you selling stuff.
Just like a glove.
Oh, I'm sure it does it. Is this a men's mink or a woman's mink? No, this is a,
I think in men, yeah.
is that
Is
a-
it?
You know,
Oh, it's big.
The old days.
Old days. Yeah.
It's fitting rooms in the bathroom. You can see how gorgeous you are. Just because he says you're gorgeous, you want to prove it. There you go. But there's big mirrors in the bathroom.
It does look big on you.
It is, yeah.
Why don't you try it, sir? Give it a try.
I don't know if it's my style, but I'll try it.
Absolutely lovely in it.
And there was a man.
Of course, it fits me.
It does fit you.
That fits you like a glove.
Where's the mirror?
It's in the bathroom, I believe. We're down there. That fits him really well.
I know, it does
It
fit
just
him.
looks super on him.
Oh,
I don't know that he would wear it
imagine
though.
your scarf, or if you go to a rider game,
Yeah.
wear a green
Those are
scarf.
empty. They're
you
just
look
actually
sweet.
Rolex boxes,
You think?
but they also
I
have some
think.
chain links in there. But a lot of
Would
people are
it,
still
did you like it?
boxes and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Would you wear it though? That's
I
the
don't
thing,
know
right?
about that. I just don't know.
Come on.
There was a man
At
down
that
there
price?
that was asking about. There was a man
Excuse
down
me,
there
sir.
that was asking if there was a man's mink. So
Who was looking for the man's mink?